Hello everyone, my name is Miss Oishi Dawn and I am a PRT teacher in Sunbeam English School, Bhagwanpur. And in my center exam, I have written the chapter numbers up to 200. So I will explain today to my fellow teacher rather that how I have started this chapter and what are the teaching aids that I have used to introduce and to make the concepts more clear to my students. First of all, I use this finger puppets or rather fingers which I have made. So for class 1, they are very small children. So first of all, the counting, the forward counting from 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, we do by this forward counting. So I'll show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how we explain the first 10 numbers, which is first the very building blocks of maths, the number system. We explain through this, and along with this we have even the Ganit Mala. So this Ganit Mala helps the child to actually count the number of beads and move forward from one bead to another. So this bead is from 1 to 200. So 200 malas, 200 beads are there in this mala. So we place it and the child counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make the concepts of numbers more clearer. Now second of all, we use this flashcards with different numbers. On one side it is number 0 to 100 and on the other side it is 100 to 200. So depending on the class we use this flashcards. So we generally flash the card like this and the child is supposed to guess the number. Like it's 78 is a wrong conception. It is 70 plus 8 is equal to 78. Same way we generally say this as 3 7 37. So it is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So how 37 is coming? So the child needs to understand this, that the place value of 7 is 7 ones and the place value of 3 is 3 tens. So that means it is 30 plus 7 is equal to 37 and not 3 plus 7. So this is the common error which the child generally makes. Next, we use this Dines block. So as you can see, this is a set of 10 blocks. So one to the markings are made over here. So 10 blocks is equal to 110 and 10 tens. So this is 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910 and 1010. So 10 tens is equal to 100. So this concept of building blocks is made clear with these Dines block. Next we also use the flashcards as I showed you. These are all Man cards. Okay, so these are ones and these are of tens. I mean tens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and this is 100, 200, 300, 400. So if I want to say that please make 25, the child will take 20 and she or he will pick up 5. So it is 20 and 5, 25. So these are Man cards. Next, we can use this playway method of teaching. That is, I can stick this bullseye on the board or I can hang this with the help of some string or something, or I can even place it on the table. Now these are Rajma seeds. these are rajma seeds. So I will tell the children that please throw the rajma seeds on this bullseye. So randomly he or she will throw like this. So now the game is over here. Some will fall in hundreds, some will fall in tens, and some will fall in ones. So you have to guess the number. So how many falls in hundreds will be equal to the number of hundreds. This will be the number of tens and this will be number of ones. So in this way the concept of the place value will be very clear to the child. Same along with this, we have the ascending order and the descending order. So these are pocket charts, and as I have shown you, I have made these placards of numbers. So I will give the numbers displayed over here. 3 or 4 numbers I will place it. So you can see the arrow is going upward. That means ascending order or increasing order. So from the bottom, the numbers are increasing and going up. So the arrow is upward. That means the number is going up. So we will start with the smallest number over here and we'll end with the biggest number that is available to us. In the same way, it is descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. From the top of the mountain, the numbers are coming down. That means the biggest number is over here and the smallest number is here. So while climbing up the mountain, we use ascending. While going up to the floors, we climb upstairs, that is ascending. And as we come down from the top of the stairs, we climb the stairs downwards. So the aeroplane takes off like this and lands like this. So we make the children do this energizer, or as you could say, let's fly the aeroplane. Zoom. And how does the flight come down? Okay, so this is the way that the children do. Next, another is odd and even number. So the numbers which ends with the table of 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So 10 is not a single digit number. So we will always consider the number which is in the ones house. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. So ma'am, if the child will ask that ma'am 10, but 10 is not written over here, but 10 is an even number. So I would answer that yes, 10 is an even number, and what comes at the end? So the child will say ma'am 0, because 10 is a double digit number. So I would say yes. So the 0 is coming there, that's why I have written 0 over here, because 0 does not have any value, but if the 0 comes after any number, it has a big value. So 10, 20, 30, 40 are all even numbers. And the numbers apart from this number are all odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 all are odd numbers. Next we have this greater than and less than chart. So as you can see, I have also the numbers with the velcro. Okay, so I stick 4 over here. Now the crocodile's mouth opens towards the bigger number. He is a hungry crocodile. So this is 6. 6 is a bigger number than 4. So can you see? The crocodile's mouth opens towards the big food, big number, bigger number. The small number always on the pointed side and the bigger number always on the open side. Okay, so this is how we explain. Now we have 5 over here also and 5 over here also. So it is equal. That means both the sides are equal. So I can say 4 plus 1 over here is also equal to 5 and 5 is also equal to 5. Or I can say 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Or I can say 7 minus 2 is also equal to 5. And similarly with this, greater than, equal to and lesser than. So this is we can do in the form of this chart. Same way we can use the same numbers for before, after and between. So I have also stuck the Velcro over here. So 4, 5. So this is 4. 4 comes in between. 5 comes in between 4 and 6. So like this the child will be able to say. And I can use double digits also, I can use triple digits also for both the sides. So this way the concepts, or I can give the display all this Velcro numbers or this flashcards on my table. The child will pick up one number and they will make the number. Next is the ordinal number system. So you can see this FIRST. So there is a red bindi over here. So this denotes the position name. Position name of this bindi is first. That is 1. The position name of this red bindi over here, which is placed at number 2, is second. The position name of this bindi, which is placed at number 3, is third. And at number 4 is fourth. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So this is how we will explain the ordinal numbers. Same with this, the ordinal and the cardinal chart. So this is the number, this is the position, and this Roman numbers, though this Roman number is not included in numbers 1 up to 200, but I have still made this, but I will explain these two portions very clearly along with this. So it will become very clear to them. So again, another game of place value is with this I would say arrow chart. So this denotes the house of ones, tens and hundreds. So this is for the clear conception, revision, as well as the playway method of teaching. So this is a place value house in which there are numbers. So if I tell them, please tell me 123 or tell me 167. What is the place value of 7 in 167? The child will first put the number as 160 and 7. So 167, the child will put like this. Now when he will do it, he will understand that 6 is in the tens house. So it is 6 tens or 60. And this is ones house, and the 7 is in ones house. That means 7 ones or 7. So this is how we teach like our children. This is the way I teach my children, so that they find the maths class more interesting, more inviting and more vivacious. So I hope, and along with this, I also do some energizers along with exit tickets and entry tickets. So this is how I try to make my class interesting. And thank you and Jai Hind.